Hi, my name is Amit Nayak. I'm from India and I'm here at Munich to pursue my MBA in International Business.
Where are we and why did you choose this place?
We're in Marienplatz right now, which is one of the city center areas, and we see a lot of music performances happening here, a lot of cultural background, a lot of tourists around.
What do you like the most about Munich?
I like the culture here. It's very diverse. There are people from all over the world, and you get to learn a lot about history here, going to the museums, going to cultural places. It's a beautiful city.
Where can you have the best views of the city?
I would say the place we're here right now, Marienplatz and the English Garden. So we get to see some surfing happening there. There are surfers, going crazy there. So it's a beautiful place to visit here in Munich.
What's your favourite event during the year?
My favorite event is the Oktoberfest. Although I arrived in Jan, it's a beautiful thing because it brings a lot of culture. And I think due to the pandemic, the past 2 years, there hasn't been an Oktoberfest, and I'm looking forward to the one which is going to happen this year. What's
your favourite cultural space in Munich?
The one museum that I would recommend anybody to visit would be the BMW Museum, because it's BMW. There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of culture in the car industry here. So it's a beautiful place to visit, and you get to learn a lot about the automotive industry as well.